How to buy a Chipotle physical gift card online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chipotle's website and search chipotle.com/gift cards. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down. Scroll down and you'll find different gift card options. Click on Mail Gift Card. After you click on Mail Gift Card, here choose a physical gift card, how you want it to be, and press on Next Step. After you've clicked on Next Step, select the amount you want and then how many, and this is a gift or this is for me. If you're sending it to someone, add their name first and who is it from, which is your name. Then scroll down and then you'll find different delivery options and price included. Select the one you prefer. After you've done that, you can schedule a delivery, add your name, last name, first name, number, your address, or the address you want where it needs to be delivered. Then state postal code and press on Add to Cart. After you press on Add to Cart, it will show you payment method. Simply pay and it will be delivered. This is how to buy a Chipotle physical gift card online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.